Hey there, fellas. Today we got another iPhone. Now, I'm doing this one unfortunately alone since this is not mine and the guy wants it as soon as possible. Now, before you tell me, oh, you can't do this and you do it all shit and crap, now don't worry. This guy said, he's the brother of a friend of mine, he said, if you can't do it, I'll throw it away and it's fine. And if I can do it, then great. So I thought, what can go wrong? So he bought this cheap replacement screen for 38 bucks. It looks kind of professional though. And as you can see there, we got setup instructions and repair videos and everything there. Never had such trustworthy replacement screens. So here is the iPhone. It's an iPhone 6. I don't know how much gigabytes. It is pretty bad, as you can see there. Condition is just awful. Crack here, very bad crack. Wait, I'll turn on the light. Here is the inside of the iPhone. Yep. Now it still works. However, the screen is shattered and it just displays rubbish. So some display cable may be ripped or something. But I won't turn it on for you since I had a hard time figuring out how to turn it off, and now it's finally off. So it's hard to operate an iPhone when there's nothing on the screen that you can actually use. So the back looks pretty darn good, but the front is just ugh. So I will now try to replace this. I will not film the whole process, maybe just some little snippets of it. But yeah, let's just look inside here really quick. Oh my god, I'm astonished. Look at all of this professionality in this repair kit. I was just getting ready here to, lay out all the screws and do it the good old way, but oh my god, this even has a screw map and it's not just some flimsy black and white printed out thing. It's even magnetized and in color. I mean, how fucking awesome is that? Still haven't started working on the device yet, but you gotta check this out. It even has a tutorial how to open this thing, this plastic piece. Be careful not to let the LCD screen fall out. Well, yes, but thanks for the info anyway. I don't even know what that is for. That's so much professionality, I can't handle it. Here is it from the inside, and look at all that space. Man, like on the smaller iPhones, they had a hard time just cramming everything in there. But look at all this, so nice and nicely laid out. Now, still a little bitch to work with all these very small screws because they're all not the same length. But I got this. Yeah, so when I can start working on this, I will maybe be more professional than you could have ever imagined. Oh my god. Okay, quick update, guys. It is actually going pretty good. This assembly was very easy, especially this helps a lot. I've already been working here on the new screen, but there is one thing, this flex cable. This is, I think, the most annoying part about this whole iPhone. It is just so hard to get this all aligned in there, especially if you're doing it for the first time. It needs to go like in there all, like it's all crammed and millimeters. And I also had a heart attack almost, because I thought, oh shit, I broke something once again. See this piece? Now, this is here on the new screen already attached, and I was like trying to, because it was kind of gluing on the microphone there. That little gold thing there, that's the microphone. Don't know if you can see it. Just believe me, it's a gold little thing. There you go. And that's glued on there, sorta. And I thought, oh shit, I broke it. No, fuck. But then I took a look at the old screen and saw that it's missing. And as you can see, so I was like, whew, great. So now I only have to put the microphone here, then cram these two little squares in there, which I think some proximity sensors or something. And then that thingy, whatever that is, I really don't know. But that's also a little interesting how that's gonna work. It's supposed to go in like this. Yeah, then last the camera, and then screwing it all down. So yeah, I'm gonna still have a lot of fun in front of me, but from like right now it's still going pretty good. And also these flex cables don't seem to break off with like the easiest force, so that's good. Guys, it is done. In fact, no, it's not completely done, but I can guarantee the display works. I don't know if the touchscreen works or if the sensors all work. I really hope I got them all aligned right, even though this is a pretty good guide. It's still was still a little unclear if I really needed the microphone first or the proximity sensors or whatever. But as you can see, it all looks pretty tidy. I even tried cleaning it, but I just didn't bother too much. There it is, guys, iPhone 6. I'll just close it up and then power it on and see if it actually works. But I think this will be a winner. So you just witnessed the first boot of the device, but is this supposed to be like that? I don't know, guys. But I know that the touchscreen works, and maybe this is inverted or so. I just don't think that the screen shipped like that. I mean that would be just plain wrong. Yep, there it is. All right. Okay. It kind of shocked me. I mean, if he wants to use it like that, he can put it back any time. I just want to know what that is. That's some iOS problems or what? Or is there something again wrong with the screen? No, the screen functions. There's an iOS problem. What is this phone all having for issues? Alright, the back camera works. Let me take a photo. Now here comes the big question. Does the front one work? But I will turn off the flash. It's kind of annoying. Does the front cam work? Yep. Here we are. Not even, I managed to align it good. Yes. Alright, that describes my reaction pretty well when it finally worked. I don't know if Touch ID works. I have really no idea. I mean, there's nothing set here. But the screen is looking good. But I can say it's not the original quality screen. The original screen was better. You can see definitely some pixels. Although for $38 it's still looking pretty darn good. It really is. So I'm happy for him. And I am so freaking happy that I finally replaced an iPhone screen without breaking it. And it wasn't even too hard. Now I still gotta test if the proximity works and if the speaker even works. That's very interesting. I will do that. Then I'll be back and do the outro.